What's going on, YouTube? Welcome again to another video. It's been a while. So it's been raining, so not a lot of riding has been going on. Just a lot of rain. There's like a serious storm going on right now in the Bay Area. So I mean, not really bad right now, but in the beginning it was. Just got me thinking about my, the trip, the Death Valley trip, things that I could improve on my gear, like I talked about on the previous video. I think most definitely moving forward in the in the next trip, I'm gonna be traveling light. I bought those side cases, thinking like I need all these things, but like when you get to gnarly situations where there's gravel or mud, sand, and unpredictable situations, it's just easier to be light. And taking a big adventure bike on an off-road when you don't have the skills is difficult enough, and being fully loaded and all that is just makes it worse. So I guess moving forward, until I'm really good at it, or know how to control the bike with all the weight, I'm probably going to lighten my weight. I think I'm gonna be traveling with at least just the top case. I even want to just carry one big like travel backpack, like a 50 something liter backpack, like a hiking backpack, like I want to just fit everything that I need in there and strap it to my back seat, and that's it. Like I actually just want to do that. Even like it's kind of crazy, and for having a big bike, but having the big bike is really nice and comfortable when it's cold, and it has all the features, and I like that. So I think I'm really leaning towards like making everything like super small and compact is what I'm aiming to do, and I'm thinking I don't know how to do that with all my sleeping and camping. I need to downsize everything because all my gear is not like a hiking type gear. They're more of a vehicle camping type gear, so they're kind of big, so and they're heavy. So I think just gonna have to shop somewhere and change some stuff out of the camping setup, but that should do it. That should do the trick. I'm riding the Super Duke today, just to I haven't ridden it in a while. I've been riding GSA, because this is GSA weather right now that we're having. It's not like it's not summer anymore, so we gotta. That's why you need the adventure bike. You need an adventure bike. It still runs really good, no issues. The last time I've ridden this bike is from the track day a long time ago, which is like October or something. It's definitely nice to ride a small bike sometimes, like I go back and forth between the Super Duke and then the GSA, big bike, small bike. After a while I miss being small and nimble like this, and it's nice to have two bikes that actually give you things that like basically it's a new experience each time you switch from one bike to the other, and I love that about this setup. And I don't think I don't want to jinx myself, but I don't think I'll sell this bike unless there's like a very compelling reason. I'm not like, like the Street Fighter, the Ducati Street Fighter is out and all that. I'm not really into it. I don't really like how it looks. So I don't have any compelling reason to sell this bike or anything. I'm just gonna go pick something up here. Alright, let's go. So as I was saying, I love this bike, so at the moment there's no replacement for it. I like how it looks. I don't really like how the new one looks for some reason. The new one, like the redesign. Something about it. It's not my thing. So will I do the trip again? Yeah, like I said, in a lightweight version with a lightweight setup, definitely would do it. Not fully loaded like I was. If I was going from a hotel to a hotel, I would be fully loaded. Even still, like if you're gonna go hotel to hotel, then you don't really need a lot of stuff, so you'll be lightweight also, because you don't need a camping setup or anything. So I really think just traveling lightweight is the way to go. One last thing, like a Chinese company reached out to me to review some basic, Chinese levers. We'll see. They sent it to me, so I guess they're trying to sponsor. I like these levers. I don't have a problem with them. What I have a problem with is the feel, so the brake feel. So it's a little bit weak. So I'll try the levers, I suppose, but I'm still ultimately changing the master cylinder here to the RCS 17. I think I don't need the 19. I think I'll just do the 17, and that's it. That's my future mod that I'm trying to do. I want to change the brake feel to a firmer brake feel, a much nicer feel. So I want to do that. So we'll see what the levers look like, but I figure it's gonna be like those the generic Chinese ones, CNC type. I opted for a black one, not an orange one. I'm trying to keep the theme here of black bike, just black everything. Yeah, so it's just gonna be it'll be nicer than the stock one for sure, because it's not stock one, it's just basic. But I like this. I like the reach and the length of this. Because I have long fingers, and it helps me just fine. So I have a problem with going long or short. Yeah. I wanted carbon fiber wheels, but I just couldn't justify the cost and how much benefit it will give me. Not really good for the streets of San Francisco, to be honest with you. Alright, you guys, yeah, just a quick blurb for you. I haven't recorded in a long time, so I figured I'll try to talk and give you guys some updates, and there you go. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.